Good evening once again. This is Ryan Wills Bergonia for Computer Literacy. May 10, I have question for you about the second computer literacy question. And then regarding this question, no, if you the question is if you wanna ask to buy some keyboard, then try to check if it's 104 keys. That's all right. The people may encounter that there is no Enya on their keyboard. So, for instance, they type a certain word consists with Enya, like Enya, to display on the screen. But for the first time, he didn't know the Enya appeared on the screen keyboard, and if there needs a way on how to type Enya on the screen, then it's true. Many people say they answered yes, no. Only one people who answered this to participate in this question. But later I will hard people to like on this page, and then I will try my best to catch a many likes, and then they ask a certain question for it. So the answer is yes, no. But how we do that? The first thing to know is many people say they using like a trickiest way. For example, like this. They say using the Spanish of N N N for Spanish. And I don't know. That's here. Here. And then type letter Nye. If there is an Nye on the world, and then I will Google in the Wikipedia, there is Nye is good for Spanish, right? It originates by Spanish. It's letter Nye. And also in alphabetic Filipino, they are using Nye. There are abacada there in the Filipino version. This should be Nye and NG. Nye is the using word like Ninka, like Samuel, like that. So in order to use that, they using Nye in ridiculous way. Here, and then copy, paste. Here, there is Nye. No, but many people say, oh, you need to ask certain questions regarding on that. Okay. Say letter Enya like that. So there is Enya right in the screen, but they're using copy paste. It's okay, but many people say they do that, no? But the user they didn't know about it. So how we do putting Enya here? By say first by pressing Alt on the keyboard, hold Alt 164 for big letter, and 165 for, okay, 164 for a small letter and 165 for the big letter. How about in this application here? Like this. Like this here. It says 164 small, big. Yes, that's it. They're using the key one Alt 164 good for small caps of letter N, no, and Alt 65 to 165 for big N, like that. Although many techniques are there in HTML entities, I will need to search it. Let's take for a while. Okay, I find it on the top now. Here. Enya. Okay, by using, this is called HTML entities, no? HTML codes. So, using ampersand, then capital Enya title with E. Okay, with end with semicolon at that on the end of the entity, no? So that's it. You can find this in the internet, no? So that's it for computer literacy question number 2. So thank you for those who are answering and read. I will. We have more questions for that soon. So this month is so this so we are now is June. So we are having na a class na. We have class na in June 8. So here, I have checked to you this month of June. Okay, tutorials on June. We need, on the first part, we need to give examples for application software. And then I will create another playlist for Microsoft Offices like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and there are three, and Access also, the database. But the first part, we need to have an introduction of Microsoft Word. The IDE using before is 2003, wherein as you can see on the IDE, it's very old school. They're using toolbars, no? And here, wait, just wait for a while. So here, they are old school, no? But for they are using toolbars, no? They are using toolbars. This one on the top is menu bar. If you still remember this, but wait. Just wait. Okay, that is, if you can recognize it, there is a menu bar, there is a status bar, formatting toolbar, this is ruler, if you still remember this, but very easy, it's very convenient, like click and drag the toolbars, it's very easy. But later on, they're using 2007, and then the IDE is goes like this. If you say that, no? Here. Here, this is Microsoft Word, and you can save by using tabs na, no? As you can see. And then, they're using tabs for that. And then, it's the same, no? So, I hope this tutorial is good for beginners and many more about sans serif and serif. They are distinguished between two. So this is Ryan Welsi Burgonia for Computer Literacy. See you next tutorial and God bless.